Eneghalu, from Anambra State in Nigeria. Do we have any Nigerians in the house? Any Nigerians in the house? Ekabo, no. All right. So today we're going to be talking about choosing the right channel to get closer to your consumer. And this topic entails a lot of things, but I'm going to try to niche it down to one thing. And of course, my other colleagues here will do a great job, I suppose. So, before we get started, I'd love us to play a game, okay? And the name of this game is called Sean, Sean, Sean. It's simple. I just want you to come up with words that end with Sean. Attention, education, impression,
that's what you mean.
Constitution, institution, okay, as much as we can. So, we'll start here. Hello, my name is Joy. What's your name? Mani. All right. So, Mani, we're going to start with you. You have to give us words that end with the word Sean. So, and we have to do that fast. Information, version, punctuation, conversion, caution. Okay, that was a quick one. All right. Production, connection,
celebration,
communication. Ah, in Nigeria, some people do. Oh, you guys are really fast. Attention. I was looking for a deal breaker. Thank you for giving it to me. Okay, so let's get started, so we don't waste too much time. So today we're going to talk about the difference between a customer and a consumer. A lot of us, I always hear the word ideal customer, ideal customer, ideal customer. Yes, I use it too, just because that's something everybody will understand, but then there's a huge difference. Then we're going to talk about the ideal consumer avatar and then how to choose the right channel. Thankfully,